Yeah, welcome to Bright Graphics. So today I will be mock-upping the business card we did, and so this is the business card, PSD Photoshop file. Then I double click it. Then it's going to take me directly to Photoshop. Right. This is the interface. So let me pick my first of all duplicate. Double click on this to bring the layout. Then I go to have to go and pick the design that I really want to mock up. Let's go and pick it up. Let's pick from here. So waiting for it to load. Good. Okay. So I'll pick this to place, paste it here. Reduce the edge parts. Reduce it. Then I reduce this part too. Reduce this part too. Okay. Ctrl S. That's it. Then let's work on the inside, which is the back. Okay. Then I reduce this part. I take it. Oh, mind me, my guys are around, so they're just happy. So, and I'm trying to created this video for those that have been asking for the mock-up. Right, yes, good to go. Yes. Okay. Then I reduce it a bit. Reduce it a bit. Okay. Then I control. Then I save. I want to save it on desktop as JPEG file. Business card. Let's save it. Peace. Okay. We're done. Then I'll delete this. we're done with these parts, done with this one, done with this. So this is another one. Let me pick from let's pick from this one. I will click on this, pick these parts, paste it here, then reduce it, reduce it, save. This red parts make it black. I can make it this color, so I can tell you. Let's leave it black. Okay, and this part, just gonna look for. Let's look for. I'm gonna look for the design from here. Not this. Not this too. This is it. Then I pick it. Then I increase it. Tracks. We're good to go. And I go to my visits. And okay. So we're good to go. Then let me increase the background so that the design will be out a bit. Okay. Then this I have to reduce it so that this part will show. Take it up, down. Okay. Save as. Go to my desktop. JPEG. Okay. BSCC. And I save. So these are the two mockups. This and this. So this is how we do. I did the mockup. How mockup is being done, which is using your Photoshop after the design. When you do your design with CorelDRAW, then you take it to your Photoshop. Then you do your mockup. You can do your design in Photoshop. Then you do your mockup there. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you. Still remain Bright Graphics. Thank you guys.